Okay, so this is your first week for this semester, right?
Yes, Doktor.
So where have you, do online class? Are you in the Shah Alam or in your hometown, most of you?
Hometown, Doktor.
Hometown, okay. So there is no problem with the line?
At least for now, no, Doktor.
Okay, that's good. All right. So I have checked the attendance list in the UFuture platform. Um, it's supposed to have how many students? 18. 18 students. And now I check in the Zoom. Let me check how many of you.
Oh ya, aku tak tanda lagi.
Ah,
Ya,
not
sekejap.
yet, not yet take your attendance. But then let me check how many. Okay, before we start, I want to remind you, take your attendance in the UFuture platform. Okay. I think everyone already familiar with the attendance list, attendant in the UFuture platform, right? So please do it now. Later on, I will check. Okay. So I hope that everyone's if you are really join the online class. If not, then you don't have to sign. Okay. You don't have to tick. So now I check there is a 12 student instead of 18. Okay, so before we start our class, I want to ask you, have you ever meet me before? Or I have teach you some subject before, previously? Have you ever seen me?
Not
Class?
yet, madam. Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. So for your information, our class will be 3 weeks online, right? Before, after Aidilfitri, then it will start as a face-to-face. Okay. So we will conduct online class for 3 weeks earlier. All right. So today, our purpose of the class is for the introduction. I will introduce you. It's more about the lesson plan, okay, for our course ECM578 contract administration. I hope you in the right course, okay. And this one is for every period. Wait, hello. All right. Okay. Sorry, I have a call. Okay. So for today, we will go through the lesson plan and also some information, especially for the OBE and also ADAP. Have you ever heard about OBE and also ADAP from other classes? Maybe. Is it your first class?
Yes.
Oh, you don't have class on Monday? Any one of you have a class on Monday?
I have.
So have you ever heard about ADAP or OBE?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you're familiar.
Not really.
Why not really? You should know, okay? All right, so it's okay. We will still go through. So please pay attention on this today introduction. Okay, so I'm Dr. Lina. So I will introduce myself before we start further, okay, later on. So basically, for this slide, I will brief you about to know about myself, okay, and the rules in my class and the course plan, okay, the lesson plan actually. And you can get the lesson plan in the UFuture platform. Dr. Azima is one of the team teaching with me because I will deliver, okay, for maternity leave. So I will leave about 3 months. So it will start around week 8 or week 9. Okay. So after I take leave, Dr. Nurul Azima will take over. Okay. So we will be you for the first 8 weeks, I suppose. Okay. And the rest will be continued by other lecturers. Sorry. Okay, sorry. All right. Oh, so okay. So the lesson plan you can get from the UFuture platform. And then as I mentioned, you have two lecturer for this class, eh? Okay. And then we will look at about the course program outcome and also the course evaluation, okay, for this subject. All right, again, welcome to all of you. And I see the number of students is increasing. Now it's 14 students, but still we miss four more students. It's supposed to have 18 students. Eh? Okay, so now you have to know who I am. Okay. Since not everyone know me, or maybe you first time have seen me. My name is Mazlina Zaira Muhammad. So please bear in your mind that there is two lecturer the same name, Mazlina Muhammad also. So don't be confused. Another Mazlina Muhammad is under structure. Uh, I mean division. Okay, my one is I have Zaira. So please make sure you know your lecturer's name. Okay. Especially when you want to fill up the exam paper. Okay, many of you sometimes forgot about your lecturer's name and you don't know what to fill up when you want to write in the front page of the exam paper. Okay. All right. And then if you look at on the right side, my education level. I mean education background. Okay. So basically, I also alumni UITM. Okay, diploma in civil engineering, bachelor also in civil engineering. My diploma in UITM Arau, and my bachelor in here, Shah Alam. And then I took MBA, Master in Business Administration, for 1 year. This one offered under Arshad Ayub for scholarship. So here in the UITM Shah Alam also. So this one is a special track for fast track. That's why only 1 year. And the MBA, why I took MBA? Because last time, during that offer, they asked us why not engineering student have the entrepreneurship background. Because anyhow, you might do a business rather than your professional job. Okay, because business is nowadays is like quite flexible things to do. Okay, maybe you not in the engineering, so you can have your own company. Many of us maybe can become a contractor or consultant, so you still have to have a business background. So that's why they advise us, so they offer for engineering and science student at that time. Okay, but only a few cohort. Okay, so they sponsored the tuition fee at that time. Okay, so the faculty, if you familiar, I think this is not your first time in UITM, right? You've been to last semester, you in the campus, is it?
Yes, Doctor.
So have you been to Menara? I mean, at the faculty undang-undang somewhere. Have you make a round in the UITM? Or you just
Yes.
come to, so you know where is the place, right? Menara Lama, that one. So this my class is in the area, next to the student office, I think. Okay, the library, Pita One, if I'm not mistaken. Turun Bukit tu. So there is the faculties there under business faculty. Okay, and then I got offer job under SPAD. Wait, wait, eh. Under SPAD. This is my working background. So SAJ, Syarikat Air Johor now is under Runhill. Okay, I'm from Johor. Okay, if you look at here, my hometown, I'm a Johorian. How many of you from Johor? Anyone?
Ada Doktor.
Berapa orang? Tak ada. From where? From where?
Pasir Gudang Doktor.
Pasir Gudang. Okay, I also from Pasir Gudang. My hometown is Pontian actually, but my family, I have a house in Taman Sentai. You dekat mana?
Sedamai.
Oh, Nusa Damai. Oh, just in front of, ni apa?
Itulah.
Econ Safe
Ah.
My house behind Econ Safe. So you just
Oh.
opposite Okay. So any one of you from UITM Pasir Gudang?
Yes, Doctor.
Saya.
Siapa? Semua dalam ni? All of you from Pasir Gudang? UITM? Ada ke?
Saya ada yang Nusa Damai tadi.
Oh, you pun sama. Okay. Wah, lucky you Diploma. So you just leave from your house lah.
Ya.
Untung. Okay. Alright. So, so you kenal most of you kenal lah all my friends. Many of the lecturers there are my friends. Macam Miss Ed. Kenal Miss Ed?
Kenal.
Kenal,
Hmm.
kenal.
Kenal, madam.
Who else? Siapa tu? Lupa dah saya. Yang lelaki tu siapa?
Cik
Johan.
Hanafi.
Johan.
Nafi. Lagi Johan lagi.
Miss Rose.
Firdaus Ada Firdaus.
Ha.
Ada.
Ada, ada.
Firdaus. Okay, tu semua most of them are my friend. Siapa lagi? Miss Madam Wan Syarizawani ada?
Ada.
So you have been teach by them lah kan?
Yes.
Tu
Betul.
Madam Wan Syarizawani tu my batch dengan Miss Izianti ada?
Ada.
Ada.
So tu pun my batch. Siapa lagi my batch? Macam Miss Herda, she is my lecturer masa dekat Arau. Ada dia ajar you, Miss Herda?
Ada.
Ada.
So Miss
Jarang.
Herda tu lama my lecturer masa dekat Arau. So dia dapat transfer ke Johor, I think. So imagine, I don't know how young she is. Okay. So actually I'm from Johor. That's why I did my LI dekat SAJ. Underwater treatment plant dekat Semanga. So this one is Jalan Keluang. Water tinggi Keluang. So this one is one of the big treatment plant. Okay. So I've learned a lot even though within 2 months. I believe all of you also masa diploma ada LI kan?
Ada.
Berapa bulan? 2 bulan?
6 bulan.
6.
6
6.
bulan?
6 bulan.
You mean 1 semester?
Ya.
Is
Yes.
it?
Yeah, one semester.
Oh, when they started with the 1 semester LI?
Tak pastilah doktor.
I didn't know. Because during my time is 2 months. Now I know. Okay, so when they are, your LI to the last semester or the second last semester?
Last.
Okay, so you just do your diploma 2.5 years. And then another 1 semester is for the LI, is it?
Yes.
Okay, all right, that's good. Okay, I didn't know that. You senior you pun sama ke 6 bulan? Ada tanya tak?
Rasanya ya.
Banyakkan
Oh, okay. So dah macam seems lama dah kot. I'm not sure. I will ask them. Okay, good. Your LI 6 months is better rather than 2 months. So my one is 2 months. I tak tahu lah kalau they have option. Ada option ke? Tak kan? Wajib 6 months.
wajib.
Okay. Alright. Okay, good. So this is my LI experience, and then I got offer at Suruhanjaya Pengangkutan Darat SPAD as an engineer for Special Project and Technology Department. This one only for 5 months. Because I got scholarship to pursue my PhD at AIT, Asian Institute of Technology. Kat mana ni? Nampak tak kat mana? Where? Where is the AIT?
Dekat Thailand.
Yes, dekat Thailand, our neighborhood. Okay. So I got study PhD there under TPM, Tenaga Pengajar Muda, scholarship by UiTM. So I was there for 3 years, and then I got attachment with Universidad di Granada. Kat mana? Siapa boleh teka?
US.
US Looks like US Good try, but it's not. Siapa boleh guess? Where? Granada. Ha. Spain, okay. Yes, Spain, okay. For another half year, like 5 months, okay. I was in Spain under Erasmus scholarship because AIT dia punya concept like MIT, US they ada 1 year coursework. So I have to attend 1 year class. I cannot do my research right away. So actually the course looks like 4 years. But my fund UiTM bagi tu 3 years sahaja. So I need another extra fund. That's why I try to apply Erasmus. So I got attachment during my final year dekat sana. Then I finish my research. Then I come back. I graduate in 2017. While waiting for my placement with the UiTM, because those who are born with the UiTM, you have to work. I mean, with the scholarship UiTM tu, you kena work dekat UiTM 7 years, like my case, okay? 7 years born. But then I tak dapat offer right away. I took SHO. Tahu SHO?
Tahu.
Safety and Health Officer. Okay.
Hmm.
Under state government punya scholarship. Along my study I dapat scholarship je. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so sebab tak mampu kan. So I apply scholarship. This one dapat state government, dia covered SHO punya training course lah. So under NIOSH, this one for 6 months, 3 months you kena attend class. Another 3 months I attach dengan Johor Port. That's why I ada experience dekat Johor Port for 3 months in 2018. Okay. Dekat sini I've learned a lot lah. Okay. So my background actually expert area, my PhD is construction safety management. That's why I took safety. Okay, if you Google my name, then you can find out my background is more on safety management. Okay, so that's why I under this division, CBPM, Construction Business and Project Management. I have background on business, and also I have my expert on management. Okay, so after I've got actually offer in the University Malaya. Because UiTM tak offer, so I try and I submit the application there. I got the lecturer offer there. I got in December 2018 the offer, and then I told to UiTM. If they doesn't want me, then I have to accept the offer. But then they give me the offer letter right away. So that's why I start on 2018 December until now. Okay. So how many years already I've been in UiTM as a lecturer? Tak masuk lagi I time belajar. Kalau campur I dengan UiTM berapa tahun dah. So that's why UiTM di hatiku. So most of you are here in this class from diploma UiTM, betul? Ke ada yang politeknik? I'm not sure lah kalau you familiar with your friend's name. Okay. So actually between during my study and bachelor, I did many kind of job. Like part-time job. So I nak tanya you all pernah kerja tak? Selain LI.
Nah,
Kerja apa?
Hilang.
Kelang
safety.
bila? Safety? Apa? Safety apa? Tiba-tiba safety?
Safety apa ni? Triple S.
Oh, you ada triple S lah, you ambil yellow book?
Tak ada lagi. Tapi
Then
pernah.
tak boleh lah declare as a triple S.
Lebih kurang lah.
So bila you buat triple S tu masih LI?
2019.
Masih LI ke?
Lepas LI diploma.
Oh, selepas LI.
Hmm.
So maksudnya you kerja dulu? before you further degree?
Ah,
Oh, berapa tahun?
tak sampai setahun. Waktu tu COVID.
Oh, I see. So you kerja dulu, you ada pengalaman dekat site Dekat mana tu? You kerja kat mana? Which state?
Sabah.
Oh, Sabah. You Sabah. Okay, alright. That's good. Okay, ada pengalaman bekerja. Okay, like you now, I think you are part 7, right? All of you. During the study, any one of you ada buat part time? Masa cuti SEM? Tak ada?
Tak ada.
Ada
Apa? Kerja apa? Grab?
safety.
Safety? Safety apa?
Safety officer.
How?
Tapi saya tu lah. Sebab saya dah ada cert
Set apa?
safety officer set lah.
You ada SSO?
Ha.
Ada green book?
Green book tak ada lah.
Habis tu, macam mana you boleh declare you as a safety officer? Kalau you ambil cert apa? SSO lah. Yang
SSO.
nanya 21 hari tu.
Ha.
Tapi you kena competence.
Ya, tapi bawah SSO lain lah. Macam saya sebagai trainee lah.
Assistant lah. So that
Ah.
you kumpul experience, nanti dah cukup 3 tahun, you boleh lah apply green book tu, betul?
Betul.
So sekarang berapa lama you jadi practitioners dekat site untuk safety?
Sempat 5 bulan ni.
Oh, okay. Yang tu dekat mana?
Dekat Selangor.
Projek apa?
Projek perumahan.
Oh, okay. Alright. Company?
Company Cina punya. Saya tak ingat. Saya just
okay.
masuk site
Okay.
tanya tu lah.
Okay, alright. But it's good Many of you ada safety background Sama macam I. Okay, but our subject ni bukan pasal safety, pasal contract. Contract administration. Okay, but it's good So that anything we can discuss or ada apa-apa you nak share, boleh je share. Okay, that's good. Many of you ada safety background. Okay, same like me. Okay. Sorry, I nak tanya, masa you ambil SSO, you pakai fund siapa? Personal?
Personal.
Berapa ribu?
Sponsor
Siapa?
3,000.
3,000. Okay, standard lah. Okay. Alright, that's good. Siapa sponsor? Pama?
Tak. Kerajaan tempatan.
Oh, yang state government tu ke?
Betul.
Macam I jugalah. I pun ambil under Puspas 3.
3 months course. Lepas tu 6 bulan ni dengan industri.
Okay, that's good. Bila masa you sempat ambil tu? Masa gap nak masuk belajar lah kan?
Saya habis diploma terus apply.
Okay, that's good. Okay, dapat allowance tak?
Ada.
Berapa?
Adalah.
Share je lah. Sebab masa I tak ada. Dia dah reduce. Dulu masa awal-awal batch, dia orang bagi 1,000, lepas tu 900, 800, kurang. Sampai tak ada. Dia bayar fee je. Dia cover fee je. But still okay lah sebab I duduk Pasir Gudang. So, just nice lah. Okay, those yang interested, after you finish your study ni pun, kalau you still jobless, you boleh apply state government punya fund untuk any certificate yang dia offer. Okay. Alright. So based on my background ni, you can guess ke how young I am?
37.
Mana tahu?
Kira.
Okay, betul. Tepat. Good. Okay. So any one of you yang nak tahu detail about my background, okay, you boleh scan. Okay. Dekat sini ada my own website. Okay. So you feel free to scan and study lah if you want to look more about my recent punya project during my serve as a lecturer. Okay. Alright. So the rules, okay, for my class. Okay, this one The rules is applicable for online and face-to-face as well. Okay, not only online class. Okay, so this one you must be punctual. Okay, if our class is 2 p.m., make sure you are on time. Usually physical is 2:10 p.m. If online, if 2, then 2. Why 2:10 p.m.? Because it takes time sometimes for the lecturer to go from other class to another class, something like that. Okay, if they have other class before that. And then if I ask you to turn on the camera, please do so. Okay. And then everything in the U feature, the link, everything, the attendance, make sure you tick your attendance. Okay. If you are MC also, you can upload your MC cert. Kan? Betul? Medical cert tu you boleh upload kan? Betul tak?
Betul.
So please do it, okay? If you have reason to absent, then just upload your MC. And then we'll ask you to ask a question before we end off the class. Okay? If not, we cannot end the class. You need to ask a question. But if you already ask a lot of questions during the session, during the class, then it's okay. Okay, and make sure you charge your gadget. Okay? Because sometimes we have a quiz. And then please, I ask you to create an official email address. Have you done it? Have it? You all ada ke? Ada tak official email address ni? Semua orang ada ke?
Ada.
Ada.
Macam mana official email address you tu?
At student.utm.
Student, yang student ID tu. Student ID bukan official, itu student email you. I cakap ni official email address. What is the difference? Kenapa I tanya?
Personal email ke tu?
Ya, tapi official punya. Ada? Dah buat? Ada? Dah buat ke?
Memang dah lama ada.
All this while you pakai email apa? Kalau bukan UIT yang punya email. You pakai email apa?
Email nama sendiri.
Email nama sendiri. Yang kalau you login dekat Instagram, TikTok, semua tu. Email nama sendiri juga.
Email sama. Satu email semua benda.
Oh, satu email semua benda.
Ada
Betul?
lain.
Okay. Kenapa I tanya pasal email address ni?
Untuk
Why
kerja. Untuk kerja.
Bila kerja tu?
Tak tahu.
Betul. Betul lah pasal kerja. Sebab you dah final year kan? Next year, next sem is your final sem, betul?
Sem ni.
Sem ni? Sem ni last? Pula
Sama. Saya ambil sem 8.
you ambil lagi.
Sama.
Repeat ke?
Tak.
Tak, first time.
First time tapi tukar dia punya. Sem contoh katanya ambil sem 7, ambil sem 8.
Okay, so good lah. So you all dah nak habis lah ni? Ni last sem. Okay,
Yeah.
so you must have your official email address, okay? Especially for the official punya benda lah. Kalau boleh you separate dengan you punya orang kata social media punya email address so that you not mix up. Okay, official email address ni I ask you to have it because nanti you akan submit your application, betul? You akan send you punya resume. You akan tulis you punya resume, you punya contact. Betul? So company usually dia akan tengok you punya professionalism. Okay? So if you have your own and official address. Official address means your name, your full name. Okay, either gmail.com ke yahoo.com ke, but make sure you put it as professional lah. You letak nama you, bukan you letak fancy name macam you letak apa, siapa famous sekarang, Alan Walker. Tiba-tiba you letak nama artis ke, nama yang comel-comel ke, not nice lah. So this is the first impression from the company. If they look at you as you have already ethics or attitude in your preparation of your whatever is it lah, resume ke apa ke. So from there you dah kena bagi first impression lah. Okay. So please have your own official email address. Okay. Semua dah ada So make sure you guna that email lah. Okay. And you might have to submit a document. So like a project group. So please follow the standard. If you are in a group, so group and the assignment. Okay. And then make sure in the cover, of course, you will have the group members, name and also student ID and also the class group. Okay, and the WhatsApp rule, make sure that you have to address yourself first before you ask the questions. Because I have a lot of students, I don't know where you're from, okay? I have master student, I have degree student, I have my PA, okay? So please address yourself first. And okay, so you may enjoy your class face-to-face or online class. So I like two-way communication. I doesn't like to talk alone. Okay, that's why I'm asking you to let us many questions or interact with me, okay? And I prefer actually to speak in English only. Is it okay? Maybe I know that sometimes you want to speak in Malay, but I prefer you to speak in English rather than Malay. Is it okay? Okay or not? Okay or
Try.
try? It's okay. Just speak in English. This is only my class. Sometimes I layan je you speak in Malay, but I don't want you to speak in Malay. I can speak in Malay, but you can only speak in English. Okay. So this one is the 4 tips online learning, which is for the safety. Okay. Not for the safety, for the ergonomics. Okay. So make sure that you have your own. I tak sure lah berapa ramai monk you on bed sekarang. Or maybe dengan phone je. Baring, lay down. Ada ke? Okay, I prefer you to put on the table. Okay. In the position straight. Okay. And make sure you use your workstation. Good. I nampak dah you duduk dekat meja. Okay, and make sure your electric cables and so on, be careful with the things. And try to move regular if you have a long hours class, okay? When you have a break, please take an exercise, okay? Okay. So our online course plan, 14 weeks. Okay. So basically we have how many topics? We have 2 hours class, right? Okay. And these are the list of the topics. You can go through. Okay, and we have a test, I think week 8, okay? I will show you the learning, sorry, the lesson plan. Okay. Have you get this document in the YouFuture platform? Ada tak? Okay. So can you see the topic and also which week. Okay, so this one will be online. Okay, this one for today. Okay, and next week, we will learn about the contract administration responsibilities, the types of construction contracts, okay, and then types of construction contract, and we will have a break. Hari Raya, so only for 2 weeks first, and then break, and then you come back. This one probably can be face to face. It depends, okay. Would you like to have face to face or online? I would like to ask you after Raya. Class.
Tak kisah betul.
Face to face.
Face to face. Okay, so please come back. Okay, I prefer also face to face. Then if you agree, we might have face to face week 4, week 5, maybe until depends on my work also. If I have other job, maybe I have to be outstation, then we might have to conduct online. But so far, I think we can make it on face to face. Okay. After Raya, okay. Agree? After Raya before, so that will be our first time meeting face to face. Boleh kelas? Can or
Boleh
not?
betul.
Boleh.
Ah. Okay, so week 4, week 5, monitoring contract performance. And then delivery inspection and quality assurance. Okay, week 6. And then performance deficiency and corrective action. And probably I will take leave afterwards. Okay, so I might be during your test or I might not. Okay, depends. Okay, so this one will be my last class, I think, with all of you, and Dr. Nurul Nur Azima will take over for the rest. Okay, so the test one will be on week 8, and it will cover up until topic 5. So topic 5, which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maybe until delivery inspection and quality assurance. All right, and then with week 9, okay, we have claim and dispute, contract terminations. Oh, we have special break here. Okay, so you can plan your schedule. And then contract termination, payment procedure, okay, contract modification, contract closeout. Then we will have a revision class on week 14. Before your final exam, you will have a study week. Okay? All right, clear? So this one semester break, quite long, you see? Okay. Clear? Any question about the lesson plan? Let me share the slide again. Any questions so far?
No, madam.
No. Okay, good. Sorry. Silap. So now you can see the slide back.
Boleh betul.
Boleh?
Boleh.
Boleh.
Okay. So our course and program outcome. Okay. So every class, they have the learning outcome and also the program outcome, course outcome. Okay. So I want to introduce about OBE. It's not your first time kan dengar OBE? Pernah dengar tak?
Pernah betul.
Pernah. So what is the OBE? I think every semester early class, the lecturer already explained this one.
Outcome-based education.
Yes, outcome-based education. Good. So what is the outcome-based education? So this one is, they said that's educational method that emphasize on what student can do and the quality they should develop after completing a course. Okay, so this is a system that we want to design you as a engineer. Okay, because you took the program bachelor in civil engineering, kan? So we want to make sure that our course is covered, okay, the human development for the learning. They have the domain, okay, which is cognitive, okay, effective and also psychomotor. Why is it important? Benda ni untuk for the accreditation, okay, yang make sure that you are competence, not competence, you are being have enough knowledge, okay, to be as a engineer. Okay, so that's why we need to measure this thing. Okay, cognitive usually about thinking or discussing. Okay, and effective is about teamwork, and also psychomotor is about the skill. Okay, so yeah, here if you look at here, to help to produce professional engineer, technically competent with the ethics and human skill. So accreditation. Next coming April, okay, for this semester, our school of civil engineering, we will have the audit for the accreditation, to make sure that our program has been recognized, okay, has been accredited. Maksudnya, okay, you imagine kalau you dapat offer dekat universiti private, okay, some of the course actually tak being accredited pun. So if you graduate from that kind of university or school or with their certificate, sometimes you are unable to become as engineer. Okay, macam kena scam lah. Alright. So please be careful. If you have other siblings, kalau they want to pursue a study, make sure the legit one. Okay, faham So that's why you also need to know what is the what they call the mechanism in our outcome based education ni, because nanti you kena interview with the auditor. Okay, the auditor akan buat triangulate. Dia akan tanya lecturer, they will ask the administrative staff, they will ask the student. Okay, is it you aware of it? And you must answer yes. You jangan cakap you tak pernah dengar pula. Okay, clear? Okay, class?
Okey tu.
So who is the ESC? Kalau you tengok kat sini, is a Board of Engineers Malaysia. We have our board engineers. Make sure once you finish your study nanti, okay, you final STEM ramai kan, most of you. Please register dekat BEM. Kalau kita punya admin tak buat kan, okay, you sendiri kena daftar online kot. Upload je you punya cert tu. Once you dah dapat you punya civil engineering certificate tu, you upload, then you tunggu dia punya official approval lah. And from there, you being registered. So kalau you nak apply IR for professional engineer, you dah been counted dah, you punya experience start you register under BEM, okay, as a graduate engineers. Okay, make sure jangan lupa, ramai yang sangkut dekat professional engineer application sebab dia punya experience tak been counted, dia register lambat. Sebab at least 3 tahun experience, okay. So this one, EAC represent Malaysia in Washington Accord. It's like a standard lah. Okay, macam ISO macam tu. Okay, for the education punya. So this one, other members. Okay, ada IEM, Institute of Engineers Malaysia. Okay, so these are the members for EAC yang terlibat. Okay, for the accreditation untuk audit program. Okay, what are the roles? They have to accredit, and then update the policy and criteria, and then recognition agreement with other countries. And why we need accreditation, macam I cakap tadi, to be recognized. Okay, that you will be able to work as a civil engineers. Okay. So outcome elements in OBE, we have course outcome, program outcomes, okay, program educational objective and mission and vision UITM. Yang ni yang big one. So you are in the UITM. UITM ada mission and vision dia. Okay. And we need to support with the program educational objective. The second biggest. Okay. This one dia panggil PEO, which is the university levels. Okay. And also we have the program itself, like the bachelor punya target, and also we have course, which is our syllabus, macam ECM 578, and all the course that you have took, okay, has been counted to measure that you will be able to become as a civil engineer. Okay. Ni PEO. PO, this one program educational outcome. So they have 3. Ada 3 je PO untuk kita punya program ni. Apa dia? Tahu ke? So PEO ni, okay, usually kita akan measure after you graduate. You jadi alumni. Betul? You become alumni UiTM kan? After this. Betul tak? Plus.
Yes.
So once you jadi alumni, you kerja, okay, you go outside and you work as a civil engineer. Okay, masa tu lah you practice everything what you have learned here in the UiTM, and you might receive a survey from us, from the university that you study before. They might contact you to ask you a survey. Okay, they will ask you to answer the feedback. So from there we can make sure to measure how is our graduate students perform after you finish the study. Okay, so kita nak measure 3 benda je untuk PO ni, which is graduates who demonstrate a high level of knowledge, cognitive and practical competency in their engineering practice within the global boundaries. And PO2 graduates who practice the engineering profession based on professionalism, collaborative principle, and digital literacy with the consideration of sustainability. And PO3 graduates who demonstrate personal and entrepreneurial skill by recognizing the need for lifelong learning and successful career development. So this one we can measure after a few years graduation, okay? But upon graduation, before yang tu yang dah habis lah. Ni kalau after you finish your program, okay, civil engineer, okay, actually we want you to have all these element. Ada 12. Kalau you tengok ni penat kan baca, ini detail dia lah. But actually like this je. Shortcut dia. The keyword. So you must have what? How many PO? Program outcomes. Civil engineering program outcome. Berapa PO kelas?
12.
Kalau auditor tanya, boleh jawab?
12. Ingat.
Boleh jawab tak?
InsyaAllah boleh.
Boleh kan? Kalau tanya ada berapa PO? 12. Apa dia? Cakap dia tak ingat tapi macam ada engineering knowledge. Macam tu lah. You mention lah. Ada lifelong learning. Ni keyword-keywords Adalah problem solving. Ada design and development solution. PO3. Ada experiments. Okay, ada techniques, modern tools. Ada communication, project management. Okay, all these what they call PO, program outcome, we want to be in you for the whole, how many years you study ni, degree? 2 years and a half? Or 2 years? Berapa tahun?
3.
3. So, in 3 years, within 3 years, you dah kena cover 12 POs ni. Dah kena duduk dalam badan you dah. Like your saka lah, okay? Alright? So, you kena ada benda-benda ni semua, Alright, so this 12 actually has been measured, okay, by these 3 domains. Okay, learning domains. Like I said, cognitive. Sebab tu you kena jawab exam. Usually this one measured by test. Okay. And psychomotor, this one by experiment, your report. Okay, and this one affective usually by your group project, your discussion, how you deal with the others, something like that. Okay. Alright, and this one, like I said, these POs covered for the connective. This is the assessment yang related lah. And then PO4, psychomotor. Okay. So basically the practical lab test. Okay, and then affective. Okay, this one for the group work and case study and so on. Okay. So we offer this one for the new students, right? Sorry, new student, this one. This one, old student, The name is Bachelor of Engineering on Civil Engineering. Now we call as Bachelor of Civil Engineering with honors. But the same, we are still mapping the PO, okay, for each program. It's almost similar, okay. So this one lepasan matrix. This one lepasan diploma. Ada dia punya own study plan kan. This one ada code ni combine semua. Okay. So ni yang baru. Alright. So how they mapping, if you see every semester kita offer you different courses, right? So that different courses actually they have their own PO mapping. Okay. So we dah highlight these all POs actually being covered, and you have the total 12 POs. Okay, by at the end of the program. Once you complete 8 semester, every semester they produce, but it just like for that semester. Maybe masa first semester dia tak cover PO4, PO7, okay, ada some PO, but at the end of the throughout semester, you will be able to see the overall POs, okay. But you can access, you tahu tak, you pernah tengok ke MyCopo dah semester last ni? Pernah check ke? Ha?
Nah,
Pernah tapi dah lama.
Pernah dah lama. Okay. At the end of the day nanti you boleh je. Okay. You nak check. Boleh? Okay. You sign in dekat MyCopo. Then you boleh tengok macam ni. Ada yang belum ada ni. Maknanya dia baru berapa sem. Okay. You kena tengok manual. Okay. You boleh access. Then you boleh tengok you dekat dekat elemen mana yang you are strong. Nampak tak? Based on the results. Okay. Alright. Ni examples average. Okay. Alright. So for our subject, okay, contract administration, as you know, we have 2 credit hours, Okay, these are, apa ni, gambar apa ni? Gambar apa ni kelas?
Buku.
Buku. Okay, looks like buku is a contract. Okay, ni contract government, JKR kan? Nampak tak? This one,
Nampak.
FIDIX. This one for the international project. Usually they guna FIDIX. And this one is the IEM, usually for the private project. Okay. So they use the IEM punya standard form of contract. This one government form of contract. So these are 3 different types of contract document. Okay. References lah. Okay. So our course outcome, we have 3. Describe the principle and concept of contract administration in civil engineering, the parties involved and types of contract. Okay, CO2, analyze performance deficiencies and corrective action in relation to delivery, inspection and quality assurance. And CO3, explain issues relating to contract claims, disputes and modification and change on the termination and payment procedure and contract close out. Okay. So we have two program outcome to cover. PO2, PO3 je. Tadi ada 12 kan? Tapi you ada problem analysis and design solution sahaja for this course. Okay. And lain-lain ni has been covered by other courses. Okay, your course evaluation for this subject, okay, the assessment, in order for you to target your achievement, okay, you will have what? This one before COVID. So now, during COVID. Sorry. No, you have to, which evaluation you will use? This one before COVID, this one during COVID. So which one? Now, who can guess?
Before COVID.
Back to normal. Betul? So masa COVID last time is like this. Correct ke? Nanti I check tengok. Kita tengok sama-sama. We can check. Oh. Kenapa I tak boleh ni? Okay, kita cuba tengok dekat lesson plan. Berapa kita punya assessment? Nampak ke? Dah. Sama tak dengan tadi? Okay, ada 10, 30. Okay, so betul This one. Group project 10%, test 30%, and final exam 60%. So this is our practice now. Okay, back to normal, which is before COVID punya practice. Okay, so you will have a group, okay, and to prepare your group project. Okay. Alright, so these are other references that you might refer for this subject. Okay. Ada quiz lah. Would you like to answer the quiz? Ada ke? Sekejap. I kena tengok ke kan? Okay. Ada. But this one is just for the employment skills actually. Later if we have time, sebab I nak show you ada satu benda lagi. Any questions? Ini bukan related to our quiz lah. I mean, it's about, sebab you dah final year student. So I just want to see your employmentability skills. Saya nak kerja dah kan? Okay. Any questions before I go other things?
No.
I nak show you about adab. Tahu tak pasal adab? Sekejap Okay, let me show you this one. Okay, nampak tak? Okay, boleh nampak?
Boleh Doktor.
Okay. So for your information, UiTM have come out one of the punya macam principle lah. Okay. So we introduce ADAB, ADAB. So ADAB tu means that analyze, nampak ke? Design, assess, and then build in belief. Okay. So it's a model of learning delivery founded on the installation of adab and trust in molding a good human and citizen. Okay. So actually, basically, we introduce you this adab to make sure that our graduates have ethics or belief in yourself, that we do everything is because of our creator. Okay, our creation lah, our creator. Okay, so it's not only for the what they call to the society. but also we have our own creator that we have to make sure that we deliver and learn experience. We are following this principle. Okay, so analyze means that align content to outcomes. Okay, anticipate learner needs. This one the each principles. Design tu is about try to connect with your knowledge, people, environment and the creator. Jangan lupa apa tujuan kita hidup? Who create you? So you have to back to the creator juga. Okay, that is the purpose lah. Always think about it. Okay, because I think this also want to what they call avoid you or prevent you to be arrogant or what maybe. Okay. All right, and deliver within a respectful learning environment. Okay, assess. Okay, you have to assess the learning continuously. Okay, and build in belief. Okay, embed reflection. Okay, enhance faith. Okay, so these is the elements in adapt. The 7, which is situate, digest, and to synthesize, create, connect, reflect, and value extend. Okay, you boleh go through lah. I tak sure you ada dapat information ni tak, tapi this is our principle either for the lecturer or for the student. Okay, I show you another things more simpler. Nampak tak? Adapt in Education 5.0 at UiTM. So ni UiTM yang deliver this principle. So what they said, adapt menyantuni. You know, like polite, is it? The term short form tu meaning is for politeness, right? So knowing one proper place in relation to others, the ilmu, okay, between you and your lecturer, okay, so you have the creator, the human, and also your environment. Okay, so when the creator, you are always talk about the spiritual. Human is about social, and environment is about environmental. And then taking the proper right action, you have to practice appreciating and appropriating. Okay, the courtesy, embracing diversity, and respectful. Okay, so we want you to become as a what they call for the human being punya product lah, okay? So we want our student not to be ignore about this kind of things, okay? Something like that. Okay, so ada lagi. This one in Malay So what is our purpose? We want you for the learning in UiTM, okay? The culture has been adapt the model of adapt, okay? During the learning and teaching punya process, okay? So we want you to become as a insan yang bertamadun, okay? Meraihkan accept the diversity and then respect to each one of you. Okay, adab pelajar terhadap pensyarah. What you have to do? Menghormati tak? Punctual tak? Respect tak? Committed or not for your study? Have you really do your work? Always say thank you to your lecturer. These are the things. And then priority your lecturer and your study. Okay. You can differentiate. Okay, with the good matured what they call opinion. Okay, and then patient, and then clean, always hygiene, and then you are not shy to ask and ask permission. Okay, they have also adapt you to yourself. Okay, like here. Okay, you want to pursue study because of who? Ha. Nampak tak? Kelas. Because of who? Because of God. Okay. Not because of being what? To show off. Okay, and then you have to clean yourself. Okay, and then you have to always learn love the knowledge. Okay, and then take care of your attitude. Okay, and know how to use your time. Okay, and then focus. Don't be lazy. Okay, and then make sure you are not jealousy. Ada ke among you yang jealous? Ada ke? You jealous ke tak?
No.
Ya ke? Mana tahu tak? Have you realised that? Ada orang kata dia tak jealous tapi sebenarnya dia jealous. But please avoid this kind of attitude. Okay, it's not good. Okay, and then practice your manners. I'm responsible to your learning. Okay, clear. So we want to have this kind of students. Sebab apa? Why we have to address this one? Nowadays, you present tak the manners, okay, by people sometimes lah. I'm not sure. Maybe bukan you all lah, orang lain Sometimes the student dah tak ada nilai, orang kata nilai apa? Diri dah tak tahu dah nak act macam mana dengan orang tua. He doesn't know how to be polite. He doesn't know how to ask permission. And he doesn't know how to say words in manners. Okay. So many issues nowadays related to the youngster. Okay. Maybe because has been not been trained or what, we are not sure. Okay. So we want you to create this kind of good manners in yourself. Okay. Boleh? Boleh ke?
Boleh.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, any questions? Ada questions ke?
Ada.
Itu je I nak tunjuk. Ada lagi tak? Ada apa-apa lagi yang you all nak tahu? Kita akan ada
Betul.
Ya.
Untuk next class memang akan guna Microsoft Zoom juga ke?
Why? Is it difficult?
Tak, tanya je.
Ya, betul. Semua link the same. Dekat dalam future tu. It's the same. Okay?
Okay.
Ini nak apa kira macam satu question lah dah lepas lah. Nak end the class?
Tak, sebab kadang Zoom kan dia guna apa ni? Dia agak berat sikit banding dengan Google Meet.
Is it heavy?
Kalau tempat yang tak ada line susah sikit
Oh, I see. Sebab macam Zoom okay lagi rather than Microsoft Team. Better lagi lah. Sebab Google, we cannot record. Webex, I tak ada access. Zoom je I ada access. I ada account I. Zoom. And then Microsoft Team, most of the students said heavy. Okay. So, I hope it's fine with you. How about the rest? Is it okay using the
Okay, Doktor.
apa ni nama? Using Zoom, okay Okay, I nak check I nak check ni jap, future jap. Mana future ni? Sekejap Kalau I share desktop ni, you all nampak ke?
Nampak tak?
Nampak ke? Kenapa dia tak keluar? Oh, okay. Nampak? Okay, if I call your name, you tolong raise your hand Boleh?
Boleh tu.
But I nak check attendance. Kenapa tak boleh? Too slow ah. Dia tak bagi masuk ah. You all boleh masuk ke? Sekejap.
Tak.
Tak boleh?
Dia tengah problem tu. Sini sebab ramai masuk sekali.
Oh, okay. Baru nak check sebab tak ramai ni. Ada 4 orang missing ni. 4 orang ke 5 orang missing ni. Alah, tak boleh kan? Okay. So, it's okay. Tak boleh nak check apa? Nak check attendance. Tak boleh check. Okay, tak apa. Semua dah take attendance? Okay, any other questions? One more questions. Ada apa soalan lagi? Anything? Any questions?
Dia tahu untuk yang subjek kontrak ni kan, dia lebih kurang macam yang subjek sebelum ni. Ada satu yang kontrak juga sebelum ni.
You mean BQ ke?
Hmm,
Bill of quantity ke?
tak ingat lah saja.
Kat mana you learn? Project management?
Project management.
Betul?
Ah,
Ada topik apa?
topik yang kena kira apa tu? Duration tu. Duration project.
Tak. This
Oh,
one
tak.
tak.
Okay.
That one memang project management lah. Maybe dia ada touch introduce sikit kot pasal contract. Is it?
Okay.
I'm not sure dia punya subtopik tu apa. Tapi this one, for your information, this contract administration will be the last course offer. So I hope tak ada yang fail lah ya. Please commit, buat you punya assignment, group project. Sebab next semester kita dah tak offer dah ECM578. This course will be abandoned under course lain. Macam BQ, dalam bill of quantity, kita akan talk about the contract and also maybe some part under project management kot atau project planning, I lupa. Ada satu course lagi. Okay. So this our topik yang tadi tu, yang list yang you tengok tu, it will be masukkan in the other courses. Okay. So jangan fail. Kita ada
Okay.
repeaters ramai tau last semester. So please pay attention sikit and tolong jawab betul-betul lah bila you punya test dengan final exam nanti. And buat group project. Okay, boleh?
Boleh doktor.
Okay, any other questions? Before we ended our class. Tak ada apa lagi I nak deliver, only these things lah yang penting. Before we start our lecture next week. Okay, ada masalah dengan schedule, jadual, kelas,
Tak
group?
ada.
Tak ada. Okay, so tak ada apa-apa. If tak ada apa-apa, then we can end our class today. Thank you very much. Okay, Assalamualaikum and see you next week online again. Okay?
Okay doktor. Thank you doktor.
Okay.
Okay, doktor. Thank you,
Ya,
doktor.
Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, Doktor.
Salam, selamat berbuka.
Thank you, Doctor.